Yo, what's going on, guys? It's JB Cobb here, back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing another weather forecast of the 4 disturbances we're gonna be watching in Atlantic right now. So right now, disturbance number 2 right now been getting really close to the Carolina coast. So right now, it has a 70% chance of cyclone formation in the next 5 days, and 40 hours and 70 percent chance of development. And then also this one, disturbance number 1 right here, has a higher chance of an 80% chance in the next 5 days. But yeah, it's gonna move some pretty warm waters, about 83 degrees or 85. Yeah, which is a pretty warm water. And disturbance number 4, it has a 10% chance, so that's likely gonna die off or something. Yeah, that's gonna die off soon. But yeah, disturbance number 4 is gonna die off, and disturbance number 3 has a 30% chance in the next 5 days. Yes, 30% chance in the next 5 days, 0% chance in the next 48 hours. So right now it's still at Africa, so it's gonna take about a couple of days until it moves off the coast of Africa or something. Yeah, but yeah, my place Charleston, it just kind of rained a little, like from the Invest right here, Invest 90L right here. Yeah, kind of rained a little bit, but now it's not raining anymore. But yeah, let's just take a look at the 90L Invest. Right now, it is trying to get back together. It is more organized right now. Take a look at the satellite imagery right now. Okay, it's loading. Okay, right now it's loading. Okay, so this is a satellite imagery right now. So yeah, so it is there is a yeah, it is organized right now. There are some red, and I can see some black cloud tops, which is the highest cloud top I've seen in that Invest. Yeah, so it is getting organized right now. I can see a little bit. Yeah, I don't see any spin at all right now. Not really any spin right now, because like it's not strong enough to like spin like counterclockwise yet. But yeah, it is more organized right now, and it's gonna move off the northeast coast, like the northeast, and it's gonna strengthen, probably maybe into a tropical depression or storm, likely, or something. Yeah. Let's get to Invest 99L. So 99L has 30 mile an hour winds right now, and 90L has 30-mile winds an hour winds too. But let's take a look at satellite imagery for 99L. Loading. It's loading. Come on. So, yep, this is satellite imagery right now. Just look at it. It's kind of moving pretty fast, actually. It's moving fast. This thing's moving fast. Just look at the convection. I see some pinks right there. I see some pink convections. Like the convections are starting to blow up. They're starting to blow up again, and this thing is moving fast right now. And it's trying to. I can see it's trying to get back together, and it's under the Dominican Republic, but it is gonna eventually gonna strengthen to to depression or storm, or even a strong tropical storm, or even a hurricane or something. But yeah, guys, I don't really see any spin so far. I don't really see a spin in the middle, in the center right now. Yeah, it's not strong enough. As like I said, it's not strong enough to is for visible like counterclockwise spin yet in the center. But yeah, for 90L, for the models, it's supposed to move off the coast or something. Yeah, it's gonna go northeast, and it's gonna move to some cooler waters. But right now, it's gonna strengthen. It has a pretty high chance of strengthening right now. But for 90Ls, but the intensity guidance, a lot of models are indicating under tropical storm status. Some indicating like, 40 to 50 knots or something. Yeah, 40 50 knots of wind. 99L is showing is showing it like moving through the Mexico and possibly getting into the Pacific Ocean and then re-strengthening again. But yeah, it kind of looks like it looks like it, it might go through the Mexico or just go into the Gulf. It's possible. It could get into the Western Gulf or the the Yucatan area or under the Yucatan area. Well, yeah, a lot of models are showing it. Wow, a lot of them are showing it becoming a tropical storm in the next 36, 48 hours, and some are indicating 1, 2, and 3, and trouble and her category 4. Wow, but category 4 is a little bit too much, I guess. I would say around category 1 strains, like a high cat 1, and I think yeah that's it. Yeah, I think that's the max strength it could get once it almost hits land or something. Yeah. But yeah, let's take a look at the ocean temperature for right now. Ocean temperatures are still very warm right now. So here's the ocean temperature. So 31 degrees and a bunch of pinks in the Bahama area. So if the system from Africa it gets near the Bahamas, it's gonna strengthen really quickly, very quickly. Yes, this could the African wave, the one African wave right now is still sitting at Africa. Like that could possibly be a threat to the U.S. Possibly, it could possibly threaten the East Coast, the Gulf, or even just be a fish storm or something. There's three possibilities. Um, so the Invest 90L is sitting right at the coast of the Carolina, so it's just gonna move northeast, and then yeah, the waters are very warm. Where it's sitting is around 29 degrees Celsius. Yeah, still very warm waters, and then when it moves off the northeast, it's gonna move into some cooler waters and then weaken and die off. But for Invest 99L, it could possibly get into the on the very pink area in the Western Gulf area. After it hits the Yucatan, it could possibly hit the Yucatan, and then re-strengthen in the Gulf, or it could just go below the Yucatan, or and just never and just die off or something. There's two possibilities. But what I'm most worried about is just the African wave, like coming off the coast of Africa. They have the most time to strengthen and develop. Like where they're sitting right now is around 27 degrees Celsius of water, which is still warm, still pretty warm actually. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at the forecast model right now. So let's see what GFS shows right now. So GFS. Okay, so GFS showing yeah 90L off the coast of Carolina right there. Yeah, and then die off when it moves into the colder waters. I see 1, 2, 3, and 4 systems right there, and the fifth system is like around at the coast of Africa. And yeah, 6 systems. Wow, 6. Yeah, I see 6 systems, and it's still loading. Yeah, so far GFS is showing 6 systems. Let me see, it's loading. Yeah, that could be the 7th system off the coast of Africa. That could be. So GFS is showing a crazy amount of storms, about 7 systems. Like wow, 7 systems. But like 7 systems off like by September 16th. But I don't know if that's possible or not. But we could likely get 4 named storms before the mid September. Yeah, that's likely. Yeah, that's what GFS is showing. But let's take a look at 2 more models. So CMC. So CMC is right now showing 90L possibly impacting the outer banks of North Carolina. So possibly just gonna impact it a little, just some rain impacts, no big deal. So 99L looks like, yeah, strengthening in the Caribbean or something, yeah. And here's the two African waves right now, two African waves right there, and it shows 99L dying off, yeah, when it hits land, yeah, and never re-strengthening, just gonna die off. And the two African waves, um, yeah, there's one that died off. Yeah, one of the African waves died off, and the second one, right there's, it's moving north, moving away from land. But there's another one right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the fifth system right here off the coast of Africa by September 5th. And this system is gonna form off right there, and this is there's another system, and there's another system right here, those six system that's gonna impact the Florida panhandle. So yeah, that's gonna be a big concern for that. If that sixth system, if that forms in the Gulf, that could that's gonna likely strengthen a lot. Most likely gonna strengthen a lot, and possibly be a Gulf of Mexico state threat. But yeah, but we're too far right now. We're too early we're too early right now. We just don't know how many names we're gonna get and how strong, like, every one of them are gonna strengthen. But yeah, this is September 10th. So this is by September 10th. That's what CMC model is showing. Take one last model. So icon model. So icon model showing 1, 2. Yeah, these two disturbances off the coast of Africa very close to each other, and possibly have to Fiji water effect or something. Yeah, so it's showing 1, 2. Yeah, so that's 99L right there. Yeah, 99L there right there. So 4 systems. Yeah, so 99. So for icon I was showing about 4 systems or something. Yeah. But yeah, guys. So that's it for the video. Keep an eye on these two disturbances. So this one and this one. These two are the ones we gotta keep the closest eye on, because they have a very high chance of developing or something into a tropical depression or storm. But yeah, guys. Subscribe if you're new, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let's get about 5 likes on this video. And alright, guys, I'll see you guys in the next update. Bye.